If Firefox is showing a secure connection failed error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is often caused by something simple like the wrong date and time on your computer, antivirus interference, a VPN or proxy problem, or even corrupted browser data and SSL cache. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling Firefox or making any advanced changes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your system date and time. This is one of the most common causes of SSL and secure connection errors because websites rely on your computer's clock to verify certificates. If the time is wrong, Firefox may think a website is unsafe even when it's actually fine. On Windows, right-click the clock in your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. In the date and time settings, make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If it's already on, you can turn it off and back on again to force Windows to resync the time. Also check your time zone to make sure it matches your location. Once that's done, go back to Firefox and try loading the website again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs scan encrypted traffic and can accidentally block secure websites or interfere with Firefox certificates. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus protection and then refresh the site in Firefox. If the page loads normally after that, you found the cause. In that case, you can either keep the antivirus setting adjusted, add Firefox to the allowed apps list, or contact the antivirus support team for the safest long-term fix. Just remember to turn your antivirus protection back on after testing because you only want to disable it briefly while troubleshooting. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes route your connection through servers that trigger certificate errors or cause Firefox to distrust the secure connection. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and try the website again. If you're using a proxy, open your network settings and turn it off for the moment. Then reload Firefox and see if the secure connection error disappears. If the website works without the VPN or proxy, you may need to switch to a different server, update the app, or leave it off for certain websites that don't work well with routed connections. Now let's move on to clearing Firefox's SSL state and browsing data. Firefox can sometimes cache old or corrupted security certificates, cookies, or site data, and that cached information can keep the error coming back even after the original issue is gone. To clear it, open Firefox, click the menu icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. Then go to the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down until you find the Browsing Data section. Click Clear Browsing Data and make sure to clear cookies, cached files, and any related site data that could be causing the problem. Once you've selected the appropriate options, click Clear. After that, close Firefox completely and reopen it. Then test the site again. If the website still fails to load, you can also try clearing individual site cookies and site data for the specific page giving you trouble. Sometimes one damaged cookie is enough to break the secure connection. In most cases, the issue is caused by incorrect system time, a security app PEP, a VPN or proxy, or stale browser data. Go through the steps in order and test the site after each one so you can quickly identify what fixed it. That makes troubleshooting much easier and saves you time. If this tutorial helped you fix the secure connection failed error in Firefox, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful browser and computer fixes. If you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing advanced Firefox SSL troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.